So now we're all dressed up, ready to go to Home Depot. Oh. So this is the before of my living room. I'm gonna move my couch around, do some rearranging. Here's my art on the wall. And then on the other side of the room, we have my artist studio / desk. And here's my friend Grace. She's gonna help me. And let's get started. This is the new layout. Is it good? Is it better? Is it worse?
Is it feng shui?
Is it feng shui?
That's the real question.
I don't know. It feels better from this angle. Oh, sorry. I bumped into you. Okay, so we've decided that we're gonna try and build a shelf. That's gonna go right there. We gotta get fancy to go to the Home Depot.
You know, just gotta be serving those looks.
Do we need some air?
Yeah, always.
Okay, so we're driving to Home Depot. But first, look at my back seat. We're dropping off some recycling of all the stuff that I cleared out for New Year's. We recycle. Yeah.
I feel like a TikTok boyfriend.
You are my TikTok boyfriend. How many more rounds?
I know.
Hello. Wait, are you filming?
Yes.
We're at the Home Depot. Let's go in and maybe buy stuff or not. Who knows? We'll see if it's too expensive or not. Nice.
I want you to know how I feel. Say it, I just think that I might have to spell it out for you. So listen here. I want this all to be crystal clear. Oh, I care about you more than a lot. This feeling I feel is filled deep in my heart. And by chance, if you feel just a bit of the same, then come over, baby, stop playing this game.
The hard part, and I'm exhausted buying this stuff, and now we're gonna eat because I'm hungry.
Sounds good to me.
And it's like 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
I don't know if that shot was good at all.
I know.
I feel like a human again, and now we're gonna build this thing. Yes, we will.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
There we go.
Oh wow, it actually worked. Oh no.
Oh shit.
We've given up. So we've had a long day, and we didn't finish, but we bought all this stuff, and some of the sizes aren't the right size. The guy who cut them at Home Depot is not the best. Well, the machine wasn't working, so you had to use a different machine, and that machine wasn't very good. But anyway, we're looking at a really pretty sunset. Well, Grace is gonna leave tomorrow. Leave me alone with this project to complete. introduce you to a new person who's gonna help me finish the project.
Classic.
I hope Brady's down for being on YouTube. Right before Grace left, we decided to put a gallery wall where the TV is, just to make it kind of a central focal point when you come in the door. And I used Procreate to just take a photo of the wall and all my artwork, and then kind of crop them and put them in their own individual layers so that I could move them all around on the wall to see what would look best on the wall. And it took me quite a while to rearrange everything, and then when I finally got it, started hanging things up. The final result. Oh, and we're in the mirror. Hey! I love it. Okay, we're still gonna build this shelf. That'll be part 2. Got my watercolor John Singer Sargent and some Polaroids. So cute. Okay, it's the next day, and I'm going over to my friend Brady's, so maybe he can help me actually build this thing, and it'll be really fun. The vision. And I forgot the screws, so I had to go back and get them. Brady's making tea.
Do you want to talk about your mental breakdown? Is that on camera?
Yeah, this is
Do you want to talk about your mental breakdown?
Maybe next video. We're drinking tea first. Here's...
Blink.
Gotta have tea before you do a project. Nice. No, it's perfect. Is the lighting better this way? Yeah. This way? You're not gonna move.
I'll move.
Oh, okay, so we worked for 5 hours?
18 hours.
And we have a shelf that's...
Beautiful.
It's all messed up.
She
Yeah.
warps, but she's strong.
Yeah, it was like we got a 18-foot one or something to cut down, so I couldn't like hold it and already the guy was like, I don't want to do this.
It's like whatever gets these
Because
women
he was
out of
like,
here
the
fastest.
machine is done, and then we're like, oh, we'll have to hand saw it, and then he didn't want to, and so we used the other saw that's not meant to be for that.
For that, okay. Well, that does explain it.
But I bought so many brackets. I think it'll be good.
Sturdy.
So we got to do the legs and the inside in the middle bits.
Mm-hmm.
And it's going to look so good. I won't zoom in closely on it.
We'll
And
save its function.
we're going to eat pizza and then maybe come back to work. Probably not. We'll do it another day. Oh, wow. It's spraying at
It's angry.
me. I'm scared.
You're fine.
Oh, no.
Did you go all the way through?
I went through the bottom.
That's okay. Yeah, sometimes you have to start over. We don't, but that's a thing. And that's fine. That's life. You know, this bookshelf is really a metaphor. Do you think Brene Brown will see this?
I hope so. All right, now I need a hammer.
Okay. I think you did it too. I can Are we screwing now?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Stand there?
Yeah. I'm awaiting orders.
Oh, can you actually get me something?
Yes. Good orders.
Look, it's so pretty. No floss at all. I don't see any floss. Lacey helped too today. Wave, Lacey. This is a team effort.
Yeah.